This is a food forest that my wife and I have been working on for about the last 8 or 9 years. Started by putting in these the swale system that just runs through the length of this space. So we've got one there, another one just here, and a third one over here. The property just slightly leans that way, and what we have is our south tank here through the trampoline, and that overflows into our swale system. We planted these Tachycastes about 6 or 7 years ago, to just sort of as pioneer species to try to get things moving along. Every year we chop and drop, and we sheet mulch just to try to build up the soil. And you know, it's just been a slow labor of love, really. Just that idea of turning our property into a bit of a garden oasis has really spurred us along. Just to give you an idea, this is what we started with, this sort of ground here. This is exactly what we had when we started. And so the swales were part of trying to allow water to penetrate the system, and the pioneer species. And we've planted a few fruit trees, but we want to plant a few more. We've got a struggling feijoa tree here. We've got a plum over there. Got an apple tucked away in that corner there. Got I think that's an apricot there. Got another fruit tree here. Citrus hasn't done too well so far. We're going to try again. Here's a citrus. I can't remember exactly what that is right now. We've got a pear tree. We've got this apple tree here, and almonds. We do get almonds off this tree. Yeah, a couple more fruit trees, but yeah, we've been just trying to build it up. This year I'm gonna plant a whole heap of comfrey in here. We've got comfrey now, and we can propagate quite easily, so that's another plan. If you'd like to follow our progress with the food forest and everything else we're doing at Narrow Road Living Homestead, as we go more full-time to try to get our homestead up and running, our goal really is to make our property as productive as possible, both for ourselves and to sell our wares at markets. Follow, subscribe, and yeah, we'll keep you up to date with everything we're doing.